Hello students, here I Priya Sacha. Welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7th. Today we will continue with our 4th chapter, Exponent and Powers, exercise 4a, right? So before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe my channel. So whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. Don't forget to write your name, class, section in the comment box for daily attendance. So let's start. Exercise 4a, evaluate. Sixth numerical, evaluate. Second part I have taken that minus 1 upon 3 to the power 5 into minus 3 by 5 raised to the power 5. You have to find out its value. So in that minus 1 upon 3 is base and power is 5. That can be known as index or exponent, right? Here base is minus 3 by 5 and power, exponent or index you can say as 5. So that means minus 1 upon 3 you have to multiply 5 times. So just multiply minus 1 upon 3 into 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 minus 1 upon 3 and minus 3 by 5 again you have to multiply 5 times. So minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into minus 3 by 5 and minus 3 by 5. Is it clear? Now just see its numerator and denominator. Can you cancel out? Yes. 3 ones are 3 cancel, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 cancel, 3 ones are 3, 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 3 ones are 3. So now what left? In numerator, minus 1, every time minus 1 is left. So minus 1, how many times you have to multiply? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you will multiply minus 1 10 times, then what will come? Only 1. Why minus sign will not come? Because minus 1 you are multiplying 10 times and 10 is an even number of place. So if minus 1 to the power even, then with answer you have to apply positive sign. So minus 1 to the power 10 becomes positive 1, right? So here upon, now see the denominator, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625 and 625 5s are 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1 31. So 3125. So answer will be 1 upon 3125. Is it clear? Now fourth part, here this is in mixed fraction. So first you have to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So what will come? Minus remains same, 7 ones are 7 plus 1 8. Minus 8 by 7 to the power 3 into 8 fours are 32 plus 3 35. So minus 35 by 8 to the power 3. So in this numerical, minus 8 by 7 you have to multiply 3 times because power is 3. Now minus 35 by 8 you have to multiply 3 times. Minus 35 by 8 into minus 35 by 8 into minus 35 by 8. Now see numerator and denominator, can you cancel out? Yes. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, and 8 ones are 8, 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 8 ones are 8. So now check the numerators. 1 you are multiplying, so 1 will come. Here 5 fives are 25, 25 fives are 125. And how many times negative signs are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So again, minus sign to the power an even number. So with answer you have to apply positive sign. So plus 125 will come, and check denominator. Denominators are only 1. So answer will be 125. Is it clear? Seventh numerical is if C is 2 and D is 3, find the value of C plus D to the power D divided by C plus D to the power C. So here put the values first. C is 2, replace the value D as 3 plus 3, 2 plus 3 to the power D, D is 3 divided by C plus D, C is 2 plus D is 3 to the power C, C is 2. These types of numericals you can do by laws of exponents, that is second exercise 4b. Clear? So when you will do second exercise, then you can do these types of numerical using laws of exponent. So now just add 2 plus 3, 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 plus 3, 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 3, write in fraction, upon 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 3 means 5 you have to multiply 3 times. Upon 5 to the power 2 means 5 you have to multiply 2 times. Now cancel out numerator with denominator. What will be the answer? 5 only. Clear? Now fifth part, D minus C. D minus C means replace D as 3 minus C as 2. So 3 minus 2 to the power 3. 3 minus 2 is 1, and 1 to the power 3 is only 1 is the answer. Is it clear? Now 8th numerical second part. In this 6561 as a power of 3. You have to convert this 6561 as a power of 3. Exponential notation, you have to convert this rational number, and power should be 3 only, not other than 3. So what you will do, you will just find its prime factorization. You will do its prime factorization, but factor should be 3 only. Yeah. So find first factor will be, you have to divide it by 3 only. Here 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, and 3 7s are 21. Again you have to divide it by 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. Then divided by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again divided by 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Then again divided by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Then divided by 3, 3 9s are 27. Divided by 3, 3 3s are 9. Divided by 3, 1. Clear? And how will you write? You have to write in the power of 3. So here 3 are the factors only. So power, how many times 3 are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. So power should be 8. Answer will be 3 to the power 8. That is exponential notation of 6561. Is it clear? Now similarly fifth part. Fifth part, this number 5764801, you have to write as a power of 7. You have to convert this rational number as a power of 7. So what you will do, again you have to do prime factors, but you have to start with 7 only. Clear? So divided by 7 only. 7 8s are 56, 7 2s are 14, then 7 3s are 21, then 7 5s are 35, 35 36 37 38, 7 4s are 28, 29 30, 7 3s are 21. Again you have to divide it by 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 49, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, then 45, then 7 6 are 42, then 34, and 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28, then 63, 7 9s are 63, right? Again you have to divide it by 7, 7 1s are 7, 47, 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, and 47 minus 42 is 56, 7 8s are 56, and 4 is smaller than 7, then 0, 7 7s are 49. Again you have to divide it by 7, 7 2s are 14, 15 16, 7 4s are 28, 0 as it is, 7 1s are 7. Again you have to divide it by 7, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 21. Again divided by 7, 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63, then 7 7 7s are 49, then 7 7 1s are 7. Is it clear? Now you can write in the power of 7. What you will write? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 7 raised to the power 8 is the answer. Is it clear? Now I am giving you some numericals from exercise 4A. Do in your classwork notebook. If any query, then you can write in comment section. Question number 6, first, third and fifth part. Question number 7, first, second and third part. Question number 8, first, third and fourth part. PDF of this home task is also available in description below. Okay, bye bye, take care.